Hello children, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today we're gonna make a unicorn. So unicorn, today I will make it. First of all, we have to draw eye. Okay, it should be in a small circle. Okay, then we have to draw a more small circle inside it. Okay, so it's you can draw as well one more, and we have to fill it the remaining part. Okay, good. So now it's turn to make a nose. It's J-type nose. Okay, so like that. And now it's the back like S. So we have complete the face, but now it's turn to make a here. Its ear we have to make for here. You have to draw one line. Okay, then you have to draw it's look like a horn, but it's not a horn, it's ear. So you have to meet like this. Okay, so now it's turn to make the front of side. The front side, it's not a yet horn, but it's for front side, it's like a little bit here. So we have to draw from here to here. Okay, and now we have to start from here. Yupu. Okay, so now it's the other ear here. Yeah. Okay, so now it's turn to make a other part. So now we have to make a horn. Horn from here. You have to turn like this. Okay, understood. And now the we have to make the low structure. It's structure like this. Okay, so now it's turn to make the neck. We have to make the neck from here. It's like um, the question mark. Yeah, we have to come here. Okay, it's turn to make a front side of neck. You have to start from here and yep. Okay, so it's looking amazing. So now we have to make the hairs, like we have to start from here, and the other texture from here. We have to meet these points. Okay, now it's turn to yep, and more down. Okay, so now we have to make the S, or yeah, this one. Okay, the other part then. Okay, so now you can see it's looking amazing. And now it's turn to make a foot, front leg. Okay, so it should be fully like little bit. We have to mark here. We have to make turn. Yep. So now it's turn to make a hoof. Okay, and now it's the shoe. Okay, so now it's turn to make the body, like the back part. So the back part we have to make now. Yeah, it's e yep. Okay, so you have to make a round shape here, and now it's turn to make a back leg. You have to just make this, and it should be same the front. These points should be the same. Okay, now it's the next part we have to make. So now we start from here. We have to make the back, the third line, first leg, second leg. It's now it's done. So it's So it should be a little bit down, so it's the shoe. Okay, so now we have to make the belly. Okay, the belly is from here. Here we have to meet these 2 points. These 2 points we have to meet. Okay, now it's turn to make the first, second and third leg. Okay, so this one and this one should be here. Okay, this is back, that is why a little bit down. Okay, so you have to meet these 2 points. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to make a front leg. Okay, it's front leg, we have to make the round shape because of it's look like the unicorn is like it's walking. Okay, so now we have to make the tail as well, it's round shape. So it's looking very amazing. So now it's time to make the part, we have to complete it. So okay, so now I have to make it the we have to meet these points like here, and now it's turned to here. Okay, now you can make other like looking amazing, it's look like here. Okay, so now it's looking like here. Okay, now we have completed. You can see that the unicorn is ready, but we have to color little bit. You can stop video and make a color, and then we meet together after color. So children, our unicorn is ready to go with you. You can go, you can ride with your unicorn, and just the main purpose of my videos is just having fun with, like, you should enjoy. The main part is like you should always enjoy while driving. So be careful till the next video. Thank you children for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and to having a new and amazing videos.